I tested positive in 1988 and was kind of without direction. And it was a contact through another organization that Being Alive had sent a person to. And so they kind of gave me first direction and kind of gave me the insight that I could work and help other people. And through that helped myself, helped me better understand my disease and better understand the system, dealing with Social Security and dealing with the health insurance and things like that. I think there's no comparable agency that does that. I think the world of the peer advocates, they're all volunteers. They've all been HIV positive for 3 years or more. They have so much knowledge about helping with insurance and helping with disability claims and things like that. I think they're just incredible. Signing people up for the AIDS Drug Assistance Program. And medication is so important, and our volunteers have to go through extensive training to learn how to sign people up, and they have to practice quite a bit too after they get their training, so they really understand the system and how to correct any errors and anything like that. And having those medications come in on a regular basis, timely basis, is very important. And I probably see more people coming in. No, I don't see more people coming in, but I see a lot of people coming in, and they really, really need that assistance in getting the AIDS Drug Assistance Program. We're lucky in California that we don't have a waiting list, and people really need to sign up for that program, and they need educated help to do it. You can step up by donating your recyclables, like aluminum cans and plastic bottles. And with the recyclables that we receive, that is our major support. Of our food bank, and they take recyclables. They've set up with the Pride office and other places, and they collect from there, and then they put them all together, and the cash they get from that is what actually buys the food for our food bank. So that's pretty easy for people to do. Another thing is, if you see an event that Being Alive is sponsoring, you might want to go out and patronize that activity. And whether it's like our soul plates auction and things like that, you might want to go and patronize those, and that'll help us a lot. People can come in and volunteer, of course. We have a food bank, and we always need volunteers for the food bank, but we also have the peer advocates. If you're HIV positive, that's a good way to get involved. You can be a receptionist and just answer the telephones. Or if you're feeling healthy and strong, then you can help with our moving service. We provide a moving service for people who can't afford movers, but they may not be able to move their own stuff from if they change apartments or houses or stuff like that. So there's lots of ways to get involved. I think a lot of people, and it's not just HIV people, but a lot of people feel real isolated in a city like San Diego. You feel isolated. You feel like you might not have many friends. You may be away from your family and things like that. So there's a real feeling of gratitude when you show up to help somebody like that, and people don't expect it. They don't expect to help with a move. Nobody likes to help anybody move, so it's a good service. Yeah.